something mixed, maybe.
Oh, he definitely got some great genes. How old is he?
About 10 months.
He likes popcorn too.
Oh, that's a big tongue. You want to pose for the camera?
He's my favorite. Oh, you can't have favorites?
It's all about the cops.
First up on our red carpet, Andy Ford escorting Murphy Baxter. Next we have Bree Coldwell and Indy. How old is Indy?
10 months.
Oh my gosh, he's huge. How much does he weigh?
130.
Oh my gosh, he's enormous. Next we have Jessica and Ben Fry with their pommies. Who did you bring with you today?
This is Coco Puff. She's 10 years old. And this is Cubby Bear. He's 6 years old.
Who does Tracy have?
Oh my God. 8 years old and available for adoption.
Next we have Wayne Hanks with Jake. Jake, a beagle?
He's half Beagle, half Chihuahua.
Oh my gosh, he's adorable. Jake, are you ready for some treats? Next we have Paul Basie, and he has Riley. Riley is a golden doodle, and he's just a puppy, only about 7 months old.
Sit, Riley.
Sit.
Riley, sit.
He's not used to the paparazzi. Next we have Ashley escorting Boss. Ooh, Boss, you're so handsome today. I love your tuxedo.
Yes, he came dressed for the occasion.
Clearly he did. What kind of dog is Boss?
Boss is a Boston Terrier.
Oh, how appropriate for his name.
Yes.
Thanks for coming. Next we have Adina escorting Carlos, our sassy Chihuahua. How old is Carlos? 4. Oh my gosh, he is so cute. What's his favorite thing to play?
Rope that you tug.
Oh, the tug of war rope. Next we have one of our lenders, Cindy Mead with North Point Mortgage, and she's brought Ernie to see us today. Where's that camera? He's a professional. Ernie, look cute. Donnie, one of our closing attorneys,
This is my dog, Lily.
has brought Healy to see us today.
Yes, it's a very...
How old is Healy? Oh, he's so good. His favorite thing to do must be get Mario.
Such a good dog.
Next we have Justine, who's brought Deacon to see us. How old is Deacon?
He is about 10 months.
Oh, and he's just a
He's a puppy.
He is huge. What's his favorite thing to do in his short life?
He loves to sleep.
Oh,
He's a sleeper.
Next we have Missy. Missy, who is this cute little poodle? Chip. He's adorable. How old is Chip?
13.
Oh my gosh. Look at him.
Sit, Chip.
Next we have Colleen, and she's brought Flash with her. Flash, oh my goodness, you're so handsome today. How old is Flash?
Approximately between 4 and 6. He's a rescue.
Oh, he's the cutest. Next we have Jane Gross. Who did you bring with you today?
This is Bailey and she's 9.
Oh, she's adorable. What does she like to do in her spare time?
You have a tennis ball all day long. Morning from tonight. She will have it.
Oh, you need to get her a bag of treats and some tennis balls. And next we have Lisa Macy with Biscuit.
Biscuit.
Oh, Biscuit, you're so handsome. Okay.